If you can give us access to your members, yung members nyo, we can probably send them letters and letters to convince them, try to convince them. The problem kasi is, nobody is doing a market study on the community-based newspapers. Meron sabi kanina na lahat pa sa national lang. If you would care to go to the newsstands and towns, kahit mag one by one kayo, to check what really are the papers that are getting read there. Because in the end, I think meron rin kayong target market doon somewhere. Now, let's go also to CSR. You ask newspapers to have CSR. We do. Kayong mga malalaking companies, you should also have. Pero Mr. Wally Panganibali, this is for you na naman. I was really very disappointed with your company. Around 4 years ago, for the first time, na-invite yung newspaper namin ng Media Day launched by Coke, sponsored by Coke. It happened at a bad time because that week we had a media day. I wasn't even included because your company is Tacloban based, and then some publishers in Tacloban choose, some, let's say, influencers in the media choose the company that they keep, and they don't like newspapers from other areas because they tend to compete with advertisers. So for the first time na invited po kami. Nangyari lang po, that week there was an issue about a Coke bottle found with nakasil pa, may problema sa loob. We tried to get your company's side. Walang nagbibigay. It was like we were getting pushed one after the other. So it was the decision. My representative in Tacloban was asking me not to run the story because, ma'am, meron na tayong connection sa Coke, baka maging advertiser na natin. And it was my decision to run the story because it was a public issue. So, since then, we weren't invited anymore. So, ganon.